Hello students, I am Dr. Revati Bangre, Assistant Professor in GS College of Commerce. I am going to teach you the new subject, that is current trends in digital commerce in MCOM semester 4. Okay, so first understand this. RTIMNU means Rashtrasan Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University had changed your syllabus from this semester and they replace your project work with this new subject, and the name of your subject is current trends in digital commerce. Now see, last year I taught one subject, that is e-commerce. Okay, so the subject e-commerce is elective subject in your syllabus. Okay, but this is compulsory subject, means university replace your project work with this new subject. So it is a compulsory for all. It is not an elective subject. Okay, so let's start to understand the syllabus and the question paper pattern of this subject. Okay, so this subject is divided into 4 units. Okay, in first unit we will learn current trends in commerce. Then in second subject we learn digitalization of commerce in India, and in third unit digital retailing and services, that includes online selling and online services, and in fourth unit social media in commerce. Okay, so these are the 4 units and the main heads of your units as I show you here. Now there are various subtitles under this main title. Okay, so we will discuss the subtitles. Okay, so in first unit what we will learn? We learn the role of commerce in national development, then evolution of commerce and e-commerce. Okay, so here we will learn how the e-commerce are different from the traditional commerce, application of e-commerce to various economic sector in India. Then in second unit we have subtitles under digitalization of commerce in India is introduction of digital commerce, definition, scope of digital commerce, and latest innovations, importance, opportunities and limitations of digital commerce. Similarly, in third unit under this head, that is digital retailing and services, we learn changing retail industry dynamic, online retailing, online customer services and support, shopping, commerce and telemarketing. And finally, in unit 4, the title of your unit 4 is social media in commerce, in which we will learn that introduction and importance of social media in commerce. Social media, which includes Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Instagrams and search engine, online displaying, advertising, mobile web marketing and content marketing. Also, we will learn digital device application, business websites and mobile app, typically through combination of connected device including smartphone, tablet, desktop, computers, TV and gaming device. So this is your syllabus of current trends in digital commerce. So the main objective of this particular subject is to acquaint students with the current trends in digital commerce in business environment. So as we know that everything is available on online platform. So every now in business world, every business make transactions through online. Okay, so online, and due to this pandemic, the boom of online is very much. Okay, so people are using maximum, means every business using online mode for their day-to-day transactions. So how every business make use of online transactions? What are the options available on online platform? Okay, so how the business in business world, how the online modes are used, and how the business are run on online platform. We will learn and we will try to understand all these things. Okay, so digitalization of commerce in India, as we know that Modi ji in 2014, Modi ji actually run a task that digitalization of India. Okay, so what exactly comes under in this digitalization of India? Okay, so what is actually the digitalization in commerce? Okay, so we will learn and we will try to understand what, although we are the commerce, we are the students with by having a minimum knowledge of technology, so this subject help us to understand the new technologies which are used in today's modern business world. Okay, so this will help you to understand how the online transactions are made by the business. Okay, and how the innovations and the recent applications are used by the business. Okay, businesses. Now let us discuss the paper pattern of this subject. The paper pattern is in your paper you are having total 5 questions. The question 1, which is on unit 1, okay, which is on unit 1, we have 3 questions, that is A, B or C. So A, B is of 8 marks, or you instead of means you can choose either A, B or C. So question C is of 16 marks. So similarly, the second question is which is on unit 2, having the same pattern, means A, B or C. A, B is of 8 marks, 8 marks, and C is of 16 marks. So in unit 3 also we are having same pattern in question number 3, and on question number 4, which is on unit 4, we are having the same pattern, that is A, B or C. So A and B are of 8 marks, and C, question number C is of 16 marks. Okay, so you can solve either A or B or only C. Okay, but the question number 5, which consists of 4 questions. Okay, so first question, which is A, is on unit 1. The second question is B, which is on unit 2. The third question is C, which is on unit 3, and the fourth question, which is D, which is on unit 4. Each question is of 4 marks. Okay, so in this way you will get the paper. Okay, so try to understand the paper pattern. So here every unit, it is compulsory to study every unit. Okay, then and then only you are capable to solve the entire paper. Otherwise, you have to, if you skip any of this unit, then you have to skip any question from the question regarding to that unit, you have to skip that. So it is compulsory to learn all the units. Okay, so as I told you that this subject means, see, we know that in our MCOM 4th sem we are having all 3 mediums, that is English medium, Marathi medium and Hindi medium. So one thing I want to tell you that this syllabus is very matched with your syllabus of e-commerce. Okay, so most of the content of your syllabus you will get from the book of e-commerce also. Okay, but the some things, that is means the digital retailing and services, digitalization of commerce in India. So these are some contents which you will find only in a particular book. Okay, so time to time I will guide you that how where you will get the content regarding these units. Okay, what you have to refer. Okay, so that you will get the study material from the particular book. Okay, now to understand one thing, that is from this year the students of MCOM 4 Sem don't have to do the project. Okay, so instead of project work, the university replace the subject, okay, in place of project work. So from this year you will not having any project work. So instead of doing project work, you have to learn this digital commerce. Okay, so from next lecture I am going to start your first unit, that is current trade in commerce. See, students who are from BCom, they know what is commerce, है ना? So commerce is everything, when buying and selling, okay, then doing business, entrepreneurships. So everything, whatever you learn up to this point, you have to understand all these things, that how the things are, all these things are to be done on online mode. How the business are turning, to online modes. Why they are implementing the online modes? And as you know that due to this pandemic, means from now it's as 1 year passed, this COVID-19 occurrence, after COVID-19 occurrence, we faced start the 3 months of the starting 3 months very difficult, but slowly we are settled down. The businesses are settled down, and they started doing transactions with the help of online. Okay, every sector are using online mode. जैसे कि हमारा कॉलेज ऑनलाइन मोड में आपको टीचिंग पढ़ा रहा है, वैसे ही सभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिजनेस ऑनलाइन मोड्स पर अभी चल रहे हैं. तो अभी आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताऊंगी कि किस तरह से हमें इसे लेना है और किस तरह से इसको पढ़ना है. सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से आप तैयार रहिए ये सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने की, करंट ट्रेंड्स इन डिजिटल commerce. See, if you are having any problem regarding the subjects or regarding any syllabus or regarding question paper, so you can contact me anytime. Okay.